Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to make detox water. It's a simple and a powerful Ayurvedic drink for detox and weight management. You need 1 glass of water, 1 teaspoon fenugreek seeds, which is the methi dana, and a few drops of lemon juice, which is optional. Firstly, take the 1 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds in a small bowl and rinse them thoroughly under clean water to remove any dust or impurities. Now add 1 glass of water to the bowl and cover it and let the seed soak overnight, around 8 hours, and this will help the seeds to release beneficial compounds into the water. Now, in the next morning, strain the water into a clean glass. Drink it on an empty stomach for best results, and you can add a few drops of lemon juice to enhance the flavor and detox effect. You can also drink it with the soaked seeds for extra fiber. The leftover seeds can be reused. Add them to the idli, batter, kadi, dals, or salads for extra nutrition. It helps you with digestion and metabolism, helps manage weight naturally, and supports detoxification with boosting skin health. Just store these soaked seeds in the fridge if you prepare for multiple days, and always use fresh seeds for best results. And drink consistently every morning for visible effects. And that's it, guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this, and I will see you on the next video.